Good morning, man. Say good morning. Good morning. Man, we back. Headed to duty school, man. And my first day back at work since the anniversary. I know. It's a terrible feeling, but you gotta do it, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get done. Thank you, man, for not running to the front of my car. Cause you sitting up here at the intersection in reverse. But yeah, man. So we here to drop him off. Gonna get this day started, man. Y'all know I got the live at 11 o'clock. It should be a video going up at 9:30. That I did yesterday from when we was in Florida still. So yeah. And what else? Hey, I'm just I'm happy about yesterday I got out and viewed those properties, man, those open house properties. And yeah, like I know that's gonna sit with me, man. Like, me and my son was in $1 million house. So, tell what's up.
What's up?
Say what's up, people.
What's up, people?
Ah, yeah. Say what's up, nation.
What's up, nation?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I'm about to scoot him on over here to the school real quick. Then I'm finna head to work. Man, countdown, man. Countdown to retirement, man. Like, all this gotta come to an end, man, for real. Like, I can't keep doing this. So, yeah, we on our way. Yeah, just dropped off the duty, man. So, like I said, headed to work. The only thing that I didn't do yesterday was the dream car. Now, I've had a couple of dream cars. I had a lot of, well, I ain't gonna even say a dream car. It was just a car that I wanted. And a lot of them I got. You know what I'm saying? I had. One that I didn't have was the Porsche Panamera. I'm not gonna say it's a dream. Like, I don't really have a dream car, like as far as like a Lambo or Ferrari or anything like that. Like that was the car that really was like, ooh, man, I gotta give me one of these. That I didn't already attain. You know what I'm saying? So, and I think I done said that in a couple videos, man, the Porsche Panamera. And it's crazy because I really don't care for the new ones. Like, I don't really care for the new ones. Like, I like the ones like the first gen. I don't really like the ones they got now. But I know, like, by now, like, if I was to get a first gen, like, it'll probably be damn near like a box Chevy at this point. So, I may or may not try to do that. Try to, you know what I'm saying? Do something like that. Or, like, if you want to just get into perspective on, like, cars, like, that'll make me feel better. Like, that Benz, I think it's the new S600 now. They got the new S600 back. I mean, they got the 600 back. Or the Maybach. You know what I'm saying? I just want to sit president. Like, I want to be in something that I ain't got to drive. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be on some presidential type. But yeah, like, that's about it. Like, I don't really have a dream car. You know what I'm saying? So, I may go and do that. You know what I'm saying? Throw something on, go do that, and yeah. See what it's about, man. Continue this motivation. Continue motivating myself to get more. Now I will say my dream truck is that Ram 3500. That's my dream truck. Now I dream about that jump for real. Like, dream about me riding that jump. So if we want to go like dream vehicles, like that's it. Like that Ram 3500, that dually, that's it for me. Like, I need that. I'd take that over that Panamera any day. Like, I don't care about no Panamera. President Dooley, you know what I'm saying? So, but they usually never have those trucks around here though. Like, never. Like, if you see one of them around here, like, it ain't gonna be there long. And I've actually rode up on a lot in St. Nicole. Matter of fact, I think it was one on the lot when Ashley got her Jeep, it was one on the lot. And when I went back to pick the Jeep up, what was that, the next day or a day or two after, it was gone. It was sold. Like, they don't last around here long, so yeah. That's where I am with that, man, as far as dream vehicles. I just gotta get out. I gotta break out of this bubble that I'm in, man. Gotta break out of this bubble, man, because I can't stay here. Like, I can't. Y'all finna see, man, everything. Like, that's why I'm doing these. I'm trying to do these daily vlogs. I don't know how long these daily vlogs gonna last, but I'm trying to do these daily vlogs, man, to, you know what I'm saying, so y'all can see the growth. Even if I don't do a daily vlog, y'all still see the growth. You know what I'm saying? I gotta break out of this bubble that I'm in. It's gonna take a lot of work, but I'm willing to do it. I'm willing, you know what I'm saying, to change everything, man, to put my family in a better position, put me and the family in a better position. So, yeah, y'all just stay locked in, man. Because the journey has just been activated. Yo, I guess this is like y'all used to me being in the truck, man. What's up? Back at work. There's just so many things, so many other things that I'd rather be doing. Man, we gonna speak this into existence, man, that we gotta get up out of here, man. We got to get up out of here, man. For real. We got to. We gotta move on to bigger and better things. I don't have no problems with nobody. I don't got, you know what I'm saying, it ain't no beef, it ain't no dislike, no disgruntledness, none of that. I just want better for me. I want better for myself, man. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I've served my purpose here, and I gotta move on, man. So, yeah, I'm trying my best. Man, to get up out of here. Why? You know what? I ain't gonna say that. I ain't trying my best, because there's a whole lot more that I could be doing. There's a whole lot more that I could be doing, man, to get me away from this position and to upgrade myself, man. And, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's probably like I'm doing like the bare minimum, like I'm doing the mediocre type. So I gotta step this grind up, man. Gotta step the hustle up, man. That's the whole point of me at least attempting to start the daily vlogs, man. Should be a video up right now. It's 9:56, so 9:30 video is supposed to go up, so man, I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm talking to y'all while my videos going on. Now that's a good feeling. I need to start doing them more often, just scheduling my videos. That way I ain't even gotta worry about trying to upload and do all that, man. I can just edit, get them gone, slide them out like that right there, man. That way, you know what I'm saying, I can be doing something else with my time. That'll free up some time for something else. might even look into that. It take a lot of time though. That's the only reason why I don't do it consistently, because it take a lot of time. But I'm still looking into it though, because that's really a good feeling that video already up. Should be already up. Let me see. Video should be up, man, and I'm recording. Yep. Video went up 26 minutes ago. Yes sir, bucket list living. Y'all go check it out, man. Yes sir, yes sir. Back up in here. Woo, what? I've been handling a lot of business with paperwork today, so I ain't really picked the camera up too much. But I did go live. I think it was a productive live. I think I definitely got my point across. You know what I'm saying? I think I may have. I mean, if somebody shared, if y'all watched that live, you know what I'm saying, y'all, I'm sure somebody would be impacted by it. Major, it wasn't nothing that, it wasn't no rocket science and no shit like that, but yeah. So it was good, man, to say the least. So I just picked up a load, just dropped the trailer, picked up a load, and I'm headed back to the yard, man, for the head to the house. No type of nap today. No type of nap. Do some things, I guess. Check on some things with the store. Check on some things with the products. Yeah. Yo, man, we done made it to the house. I ain't even record, man. Me picking up duty or nothing like that, man. Y'all done seen that before. But I'm sitting here. I don't know why, but I'm sitting there watching Sitting There Shit Boy on my phone. Watch Sitting There Shit Boy live, man, on my phone when I got my laptop right here. I don't know. But yeah, man. We just wanted to pick the camera up, let y'all know what was going on. I'm at the house safe. I'm sitting there, man. I'm at the house safe. We just chilling. I don't know. So I guess, man, I'm about to man, get ready to lay it down. I was saying, oh yeah, we man, I done lost my train of thought. But yeah, man, I'm about to get ready now. And yeah. See y'all in the morning, man. It's your dog below. We out of here.